Manchester City have agreed a deal in principle to sign Crystal Palace captain Mark Guehi this month. City started talks to sign the England centre-back 25 this month following injuries to defenders Josko Gvardiol and Ruben Dias. Guehi, who has been linked with some of Europe's top clubs, is out of contact in the summer and was close to a move to Liverpool in the summer. BBC Sport reported earlier this month that City were exploring a move for Guehi and talks have accelerated in the past 24 hours. Guehi is now expected to join City on a long-term contract this month. Personal terms have not been formally agreed but are not expected to be an issue. City have already signed Antoine Semenyo from Bournemouth in the current transfer window for £62.5 million.